How to make text size medium on Samsung Internet Browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make text size medium on Samsung Internet Browser. First, then open the browser and now just click these three lines here in the bottom corner and then click text size and just make it here in the middle. And now all you need to do is just click OK and go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.